It needs a pin that locks the seat back in. And it's made out of titanium. Very difficult to work with. But I'm going to show you how I make one in case it's helpful for someone else. So I need cobalt drill bits for drilling titanium, otherwise it'll either be there all day or I think that one's a sharp one. Or you just never get through it. You can see that or not.
I can take this anymore. I might just break. All the heartache, 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 all the heartache.
Right, it's a bit sketchy using the bench grinder for the drill, but it does get the job done. There it is. Titanium is so hard on all the tools, and that just goes in there like that. It's got a spring behind it, and then it's got a loop, 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 got a loop.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just